we will now have the fortune dance or the money dance. Of course, this is a way of giving good fortune for the couple. Thank you very much to Ninong Godzi for this first good fortune. We would like to highly encourage each and every one of us to give good fortunes for our couple. Once again, any value will do. Kahit alam mo anong halaga yan, yan po ay tatanawin ng ating bagong kasal na good fortune mula sa bawat isa sa atin. Eh, pwede din po tayo magsabit ng ibang bagay. Tulad po ng titulo ng lupa.